Alright guys, welcome back to the Nurses Beauty Review, where we talk about all things beauty. We are going to do a video today on how to style your hair. For my ladies out there who are like me, who enjoy wearing bundles, this is for you ladies and ladies who just enjoy looking beautiful, period. This is for you. I am going to be using this BB curling iron to style my hair, and I'm going to do wand curls with this curling iron. So the hair that I have in my head are these bundles from this hair company called Her Hair Lure, and it is a wonderful company. I'm going to put the description in the description box, the website and everything, and what I have in my head in the box. So please support this company. It is a Black-owned hair company, raw Indian virgin hair. It is magnificent hair. It is worth it. Please go buy it. All right, so what you do is you go ahead and you brush out your hair. You get whatever kinks and curls out and go ahead and brush it out. And what I like to do is I like to split my hair on both sides. On both sides. Okay, like so. Okay, and I use clips like these, or whatever clips that y'all have, go ahead and use those, but I like to use these type of clips. So I like to start on this side of my head because it's the least amount of hair, just for the simple fact of how my hair is parted. So you just take a little piece of hair and you clip the rest up. Okay, and yes, this is a sew-in. Okay, comb out your section, and if you want to make it smaller, you can make it smaller. So I'm going to do that now without burning yourself, because me, I'm a klutz. I'll burn myself all the time. You take the curling iron, you open it, open the tongue, and you stick the hair in like so, and then the rest you just wave around. And what I like to do is to ensure that my curl is going to be like a bum curl, is I twist my curling iron backwards like so. And you need to be careful not to drop the curling iron on yourself, okay? Like so. I'm gonna show you again. Come out. And I like to do it with the curling iron instead of a wand, because I think that the curls come out a lot better with the curling iron instead of a wand. I think with a wand, they seem to come out a lot looser instead of tight like this. But we're gonna keep it going, okay? So I'm gonna do it in bigger pieces just so I can finish entirely a lot faster. There, we got it. Okay, so these are my curls, and I just take the brush and smooth them down. And I have this TRESemmé hairspray to hold my curl. And I don't like the spray a lot because it stiffens the hair, and my hair is already soft, and I want my hair to stay soft. So and this is what a wand curl with a curling iron will look like. Now, when I do my curls with a flat iron, they look completely different. The curl with the flat iron is a lot tighter and they stay a lot longer. I'm expecting this to drop in like maybe like an hour into a fine wave like this. This is like when it starts, but at the end of the day, it's gonna look like this. But this is how you can get fly like me. Continue to subscribe to my channel. I need y'all to pass it on to your family, to your friends. Go ahead and tell your people to subscribe to my channel because I talk about facial care, I do makeup videos, I expand on my career, all of that good thing, and I review products that I newly bought.